Did you know that 85% of jobs are filled through networking? Imagine what that means for your wealth-building journey. Networking transcends mere job hunting. It's a pivotal force in professional growth and wealth accumulation. By forging strong connections, you not only unlock doors to potential job opportunities, but also tap into a wellspring of resources and insights. This network can introduce you to new business ventures, investment ideas, and partnerships, all accelerating your path to financial success. Now let's dive into some real-life stories where networking made all the difference. Scene script: meet Sarah, a budding entrepreneur whose startup story is a masterclass in networking. Sarah's journey began in the bustling corridors of her university, where she graduated with more than just a degree, a network of ambitious peers and inspiring mentors. As she stepped into the entrepreneurial arena, she knew her success would depend heavily on leveraging these connections. Her first strategic move: reaching out to her college alumni. Sarah knew that these relationships could open doors that no cold email ever could. It wasn't long before she secured her first round of funding, all thanks to a recommendation from a former professor who believed in her vision. But Sarah didn't stop there. She frequented industry meetups, not just as an attendee but as a speaker, sharing her insights and subtly showcasing her startup. This proactive approach not only enhanced her visibility, but also attracted the attention of potential business partners. In the digital world, Sarah wielded LinkedIn like a maestro. She connected with industry leaders, not with the generic "I'd like to add you to my network" message, but with personalized notes that sparked conversations. These weren't just exchanges of pleasantries. They were strategic moves that often led to mentorship, advice, and occasionally collaborations. Each connection Sarah made was a step closer to her goal. Each conversation a thread in the web she was weaving. Her network wasn't just a list of names, but a dynamic resource that propelled her forward. Sarah's story shows that the right connections can indeed turn visions into reality. Now let's switch gears to Tom, whose career trajectory in a multinational corporation showcases networking in a different light. Tom started his journey in the bustling world of a large corporation as a fresh-faced entry-level analyst. But he didn't see this position as a static post, rather it was a stepping stone. Early on, Tom grasped the critical role that internal networking would play in his ascent through the corporate ranks. He began by diligently identifying and connecting with key stakeholders within the company. It wasn't just about making acquaintances. Tom sought to offer tangible value in every interaction. He shared innovative ideas during meetings, offered insightful solutions to problems, and always came prepared to discuss the latest industry trends, thereby establishing himself as a knowledgeable and reliable team member. Volunteering for new projects was another strategy Tom employed masterfully. He didn't shy away from opportunities that required extra hours or tasks outside his comfort zone. Each project was a chance to showcase his skills to a broader audience within the company, and to work directly with senior executives, thus gaining visibility and building a reputation as a go-getter. Through these endeavors, Tom cultivated relationships that were both deep and broad. He understood that in the corporate world, one's progress often hinges on the support and endorsement of others. By being a proactive contributor and a dependable colleague, Tom turned professional relationships into champions of his career growth. Tom's ascent is a testament to the power of building and nurturing relationships within one's immediate professional environment. Ever wondered how investors make their decisions? Let's look at Anna, an investor who built her fortune by wisely networking. Anna's journey into the affluent world of investing wasn't just about having capital, it was about being where the information flows and the opportunities flourish. She began by attending various investment seminars, a move that might seem quite standard at first glance. However, Anna wasn't just there to listen, she was there to engage. Each seminar was an opportunity to meet minds alike and different, each carrying a piece of the puzzle called the market trend. Further expanding her horizon, Anna joined several exclusive clubs known to be the watering holes of successful entrepreneurs and high-net-worth individuals. These weren't your average social clubs. They were the kind where deals were made over a handshake, and partnerships were formed with the clink of a glass. Here, Anna wasn't just another member. She became a key player in a symphony of strategic exchanges. Within these circles, Anna did more than exchange business cards. She delved deep into discussions about market forecasts, investment strategies, and the next big thing in technology. These conversations provided her with insights that were not readily available in the public domain. They were insights born out of experience and privileged access, the kind that can turn a good investment into a great one. Anna's success underscores the importance of being in the right network to access privileged information and opportunities. Through her strategic networking, she not only found investment opportunities but also gained a vantage point that many investors strive for, but few achieve. Her story is a testament to the power of connections in the high-stakes world of investment. Remember, in the realm of investing, your network is your net worth. Inspired by these stories, here are actionable networking strategies that can set you on the path to success. First and foremost, maintain regular contact with your connections. It's not just about collecting business cards, it's about nurturing relationships. Send a quick email to catch up, share a relevant article, or even make a phone call to discuss potential opportunities. Remember, a little effort goes a long way. Offer genuine help to others without immediate expectations of return. This could be mentoring a newcomer, connecting people who could benefit from each other, or offering your expertise on a project. When you help others, you build trust and respect, which are pillars of valuable relationships. Stay visible. Attend industry conferences, seminars, and local meetups. These events are gold mines for connecting with like-minded professionals and potential mentors. Likewise, leverage social media platforms to share your insights and expertise, thus attracting further connections who are interested in your field. Remember, effective networking is about quality connections, not just quantity. Remember, it's not just who you know, but how you foster those relationships that truly counts. Always approach networking with authenticity and a mindset geared towards mutual benefit. This will set you apart in a world full of networkers. Remember, effective networking is about quality connections, not just quantity. As we've seen, networking can dramatically influence your professional and financial life. Let's revisit the journeys of Sarah, Tom, and Anna. Each of these go-getters used networking not just as a tool, but as a cornerstone of their success. Sarah, who leapt from a local entrepreneur to a global powerhouse, credits her breakthrough to a conference where she made connections that opened international doors. Tom, on the other hand, climbed the corporate ladder with an unmatched speed, largely thanks to the mentors he met through industry mixers who guided him at every pivotal turn. And then there's Anna, whose investment portfolio grew exponentially from the insights and opportunities shared by her robust network of fellow investors. These stories underscore a universal truth. Your network can be your greatest asset. Evaluate your current networking strategies. Are they as effective as they could be? Could a new approach open doors you've never anticipated? Harness the power of your network, and you might just find that the next opportunity for success is already waiting in your connections. Start building your wealth through networking today.